Hello students and welcome back to our worksheet lesson classes. In this opportunity, we need to improve our writing skills. The activity is a little bit simple and you need to write uh, 100 words that you tell your daily routine. You need to underline the verbs that you use. I'm going to show my presentation. Hello students, I'm here again. I have my paragraph right and I want to share with you my answer. I usually wake up early in the morning. Then I go to the kitchen and I drink orange juice. Usually I do some exercise inside of my home and then I take a shower. Usually I go to the computer and I begin to study. In the afternoon I take a lunch, usually vegetables and a few of meat. Then I take a rest and in the noon I study a little more. At night, usually I read a book and finally I take a coffee and then I go to the bed. Well, student, I expect that you must learn so much in these short micro lessons and if you have some comments let it in the link below. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.